Hi everyone, I get a lot of questions about my lashes and that, oh my god, wow, they're so long, how do you achieve that look? So today I'm going to show you exactly how to use our Lash Sense by Senegence in the waterproof edition with the Undersense Lash Primer to really show you how to pump up the volume. So before applying our actual Volume Intense Mascara, I start with our Lash Sense Undersense Primer. Now the key tip is to really start at the base of the lashes, wiggle, 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 and flick up. This will ensure you are really coating every single lash. So our lash primer is beige in color, and you can already see the dramatic difference from just applying our primer to no primer at all. The next step is to come in with our Volume Intense Mascara, and I am using the waterproof version today. Now you could absolutely leave this there with one coat of mascara, but if you really want those dramatic, bold, long lashes, I would go in with a second or even a third coat. Our mascara contains Capixyl, which will help lash growth by over 46% in just 4 weeks. Okay, so that is coat number 2. And again, you could leave this here, but if you want some more extra depth and volume and dimension, because we're all about those long, fabulous lashes, I would suggest going in with a final third coat. Now, how is that for dramatic Volume Intense Mascara? Looks like I have no lashes on this side, and here it essentially looks like I'm wearing strip lashes without the damage. I hope you enjoyed this how to apply your Lash Sense by Senegence. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.